Welcome back, Ohio, to your Kid Data Science channel, and welcome back to your daily COVID-19 update report. Today, of course, is Wednesday, August 11th, 2021. So before we get started, a big shout out to the two people who viewed this video yesterday. But here's the thing. I know that you two people know one other person or two other people who are interested in the COVID-19 situation in the state of Ohio. By all means, click on that share button, share this video with those folks today on Facebook and Twitter. You can also copy and paste the link into an email or text message and share it with your friends and family that way. Of course, that's always you do. The caveat we always have to do with the high numbers nowadays is that back in February, the governor's office came out and said they had undercounted deaths by close to 4,000. The undercounted deaths were close to 4,000. In order to compensate for those 4,000 miscountings in the fourth quarter of 2020, they added those numbers on the February 11th, 12th, and 13th, which of course produced a massive spike, as you will see, in COVID-19 deaths for the first quarter of 2021. So let's just take a look here. Okay, here's the roll numbers, 11, 12, 13. You can see this massive spike here compared to where everything else is over here. So this completely throws the raw numbers for a loop to the point of where these three, and they're all dated. These three numbers are basically worthless, in my opinion. Okay, so what we did, I simply replaced these 3 dates with the average number of deaths for those 3 days, and this is a little better. I mean, this could still be up here a little bit more, but this is still considerably better than what it was. And this, of course, is the raw data for the COVID-19 deaths. This is the fourth quarter here. This is the first quarter. Now, here's some summary statistics for deaths. And this is 70 moving average plotted on top of the daily numbers. You can see that the trend is still downward. Okay. It's also interesting to have this very distinct stair-step pattern. I'm never quite sure why that happens, though, rather than a nice smooth transition. I mean, you would expect with a moving average that this number would be much smoother, but it's not. Okay. So anyway, this is a 70 moving average for deaths. Like I say, as of the first part of December, the COVID-19 deaths in Ohio began to decline. Now here is the daily cases, summary statistics, and here's the daily cases. Now this is each one of these points is a 7-day moving average. Okay, but what I want you to notice here is this beginning to turn back up in first part of July. Now, one thing to keep in mind, some people are quick to say, and they may be right, the purpose of the vaccine is to keep people from dying from COVID-19. The vaccine is not intended to keep people from getting the COVID-19 virus. So in theory, deaths could continue to decline and cases continue to increase. Okay? So we have to be careful not to be misled by this number here, because this number here may never go down. Okay, we may never see a long extended flattening curve for cases. All right, but anyway, that does conclude the report for today, Buckeye Nation. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks so much for the two people who did view this video yesterday. Before I let you go, of course, don't forget to click the subscribe button. We're currently at 268. Our goal is 275 subscribers by Sunday evening. Secondly, of course, don't forget to click the like button. 2 views equals 2 likes. The third and most important of all, don't forget to click on that share button. Share the video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also share it on copy and paste the link into an email or text message and share the news with your friends and family that way. Again, thanks so much for your time, Buckeye Nation. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.